Hi guys! Today we are learning how to use TikTok Analytics to grow your account. First, unlock your phone and open the TikTok app. Make sure you're signed in to the account whose analytics you want to review. Now, open your profile and tap the three horizontal lines. This will open the menu where you can access TikTok's creator tools. From the menu, tap TikTok Studio. This is where you can manage your content and view detailed performance insights. Now switch to the Content tab. Here you can see which videos perform the best, including your most viewed content and other useful performance details. Review your top performing videos and save their analytics by taking screenshots or noting the key details. You can then share this information with ChatGPT to get personalized content ideas. Identify what is working well and create a posting plan based on your strongest performing videos. And that's how you can use TikTok Analytics to better understand your content and improve your posting strategy. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.